Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about payment setting in Alipay. In this video, I will show you on how to activate your Smile to Pay in your Alipay account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on account right here. Go ahead and click on this setting icon from the top. Proceed to payment settings. Then here we go. Go ahead and click on Smile to Pay. However, this method here is available for people in mainland China. So if you are not in China, you cannot use particular Smile to Pay options right here. If you are in China and you are using Alipay Chinese function, go ahead and click on Smile to Pay, which simply means that each time you want to make payment with your Alipay account, you only need to smile and the payment will complete instantly. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks about Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.